Hey, welcome back to Out the Smoke. I'm Malcolm Reed. Got my buddy Mark Williams from Swine Life BBQ here. Mark, today we're going to talk about these Havalon knives. And I started using these knives in SEA contests. They're great for trim work. When you're taking off silver skin, you're trimming off the fat off a ribeye steak. Mine stays in my steak boxes with all my seasonings. That way I've always got a good knife. What I like about them is they're basically a scalpel that you can replace the blade on. Show us what we got here.
So this is the Barracuda Blaze, and it does have like a fillet knife style scalpel blade on it. And this is the one we use at steak contests, and heck, we've cut ribs with them before.
Well, you know, I bought another one of these to go with my rib cooking stuff too, because when you get ribs done, you need a super sharp knife that has a super thin blade, and that's exactly what these scalpel blades do on these knives. Now, they're really, really easy to take care of because you don't ever have to worry about sharpening them. It comes with 5 blades. You can buy replacement blades for them. There's different style blades. They make a longer one as well that I've bought. They work really great for trim work, for slice and finish product, if you're cutting ribs, trying to get perfect cuts on single bones, if you're slicing up money muscles to go in the box, these scalpel type knives with replacement blades are what you want to use.
So Malcolm, you were talking about changing the blades, and it's a little intimidating because you are messing with the scalpel. It's pretty sharp, but it's got this little tab. Just push up on the tab, pull the blade off, and you're good to go. Same thing, you'll look, it'll have a groove right here in the middle. Slide it right back on there, snaps back in place, and you got a brand new blade ready to go.
They have some hunting stuff. If you're into hunting or fishing, they've got a really cool set of knives with a lot of different blades to it. You get one knife handle and you can put multiple blades on it. You've got a gut hook blade, you've got a regular edge blade, you've got a long fillet blade, and there's another utility blade in there as well. But they also sell different attachments for this one. This is kind of like replacement blades for the hunt set. That's really cool. And the one that I carry with me all the time is this knife. And this is kind of like a utility knife, man. So what's really cool with the pocket knife is it also has that scalpel blade. So if I'm caping a deer, doing some field dressing, that's great for cutting the hide without getting down in the meat. Then I've got the big fixed blade I can lock into place, do some serious cutting. That one stays in my pocket. I don't care if I'm opening a bag of charcoal, cutting open a rib pouch, or working on some deer, I've got a tool for it. So it's real easy to change the blade on the pocket knife as well. You just put it in the blade protector, you kind of squeeze in the middle and lift up a little bit. It lets it off the guide and pulls right out. Putting it back on is just as simple. You just slide it right back in the groove, just like the Barracuda edge, and it snaps in place. You've got a brand new blade on a pocket knife. So Mark, let me get my pocket knife back, man.
I ain't gonna
let you walk away with that one. But we just want to do a quick introduction to this Havalon knife. If you're looking for a scalpel type knife to add to your knife roll, that's a great option. If you're a hunter, you gotta have one in your field kit where you take that game, clean those fish. It's a great tool to have. Mark, it's been a pleasure hanging outside the smoke, man.
Been a good time today.
We'll see y'all next time. Thanks for hanging out with us. Y'all check out the other videos, subscribe to the channel. We gone.